It's nice outside, right? Keep enjoying there. Let's see this. Scissors cut so well. Fast charging. As if fast charging is... It depends on the cable, not on the charger. Here, 1 meter. Maybe it says it supports fast charging, right? Oh. Anything in the box? No. Okay, this is it. Lightning, USB. I want to try it. Can you pause a little bit? Okay, he's here, keeping an eye on that. This is the old one. I think I should have ordered longer. I don't think so, right? Okay, so let's see if it works. What? Perfect. Let me see. Yes. Because with this one sometimes it doesn't work, right? Cute. Cute cat. Test to see if it's good. Is it good? Let's see.